How much would a EGR delete cost then?
They're about 70 quid off eBay.
Oh, not too bad then.
And then to fit them, you're looking at about an hour at 45 quid. It has had a new crankcase valve at some point. I couldn't tell you when, but it has had one. Obviously you're going to get some sort of leakage from there, with the duct tape on there.
I was just about to say.
I can't see any leaking of the turbo at the top at the moment. I'll wait till I get down to the bottom.
What about the pulleys? How are they looking?
The belts and everything, they look quite good. Again, I think they've been replaced recently because there's no signs of perish or anything. The crank pulley feels like it's starting to rip, but it's not splitting yet.
How many miles do you think that's got left on it?
It's hard to say. Depends how you drive. They tend to rip when your car's like remapped and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You haven't got much of a leak around your rocker cover on this side. Obviously, oil seal in the oil cap is leaking there, so that's causing all this oil to fill up here.
Is that quite common?
Over mileage, yes.
Yeah.
Over mileage.
Yeah.
Yeah. Obviously, the older the cars get now, the more you're going to find little bits of problems and stuff like that. Obviously, it's just a brand new, buy a brand new cap from BMW. I'll clean it up for now, and then just keep an eye on it.
Yeah.
Have you topped it up with oil or anything recently?
I haven't.
Do you know when its last service was?
August.
Okay.
I think I had filters and everything done. Is this just a cosmetic thing then, or is it?
So basically, there's supposed to be a screw in there that's supposed to hold it tight. They've probably either lost the screw or their threads in that.
Do you know what? I think I've got. I got all of these basically. I found them.
So yeah,
all,
it'll be this.
I found them all in here. There must be something wrong with them there.
I think they've lost the screw for it, because that one is for that. This one is for here. Yeah, they've most probably lost the screw for it. That's why it's.
Where do you think these are from? Guess there's a number plate ones. These ones maybe.
Yeah, they look like number plate ones. That looks like an under tray screw. I've not got a clue where that's come from. That's just a generic 10mm that someone's put somewhere. And then obviously this one matches that one. So God knows where they've come from.
Do you know what? They're all
just left in there.
left in there, and there was some inside as well. It's like building a Lego set and you've got like leftover pieces.
Yeah. So your oil looks good.
Yeah. I did check that before I bought it. Any like milky residue or anything?
Yeah. Power steering fluid's about halfway through. So on there's like a same thing as a dipstick.
Yeah.
There's a maximum, there's a minimum.
Do you think that needs doing? Or wire the top up, kind of?
I'd probably do a drain.
Just fresh?
So yeah, so you're probably looking at a complete inspection to service.
Yeah.
Drain all the fluids, renew all the fluids. All new filters. With fluids, it also includes a gearbox, diff. I'd probably look to getting that done at some point, just so you know that everything's fresh.
Yeah, so I need that peace of mind a little bit. Go all of them.
So it has been first
Relatively new, don't they?
Yeah. Was it a BMW specialist that did it, or?
No, but he was kind of like you, so he had like 2 E46s on the drive.
Okay.
He had an E30.
Yeah.
Um,
One of your mates?
no, just
Oh, you don't know?
no, just on eBay. So it was on auction. I was bidding. I said, let me go view it.
Yeah.
Made him offer next day. I was like,
Okay.
just get it done.
Yeah.
But that's what kind of led me to buy it as well. Kind of, like, he knew what he was talking about, kind of.
Yeah.
So. I do have that windscreen washer light.
Hey?
The windscreen washer light, so I'll need to do that. But
Yeah, I'll fill it up before you leave anyway. Do the headlights ever messed up?
Hmm?
Do the headlights ever messed up?
they work fine, to be honest. But I don't know. Just that wire. Look at that.
So you probably want to start replacing all your vacuum pipes.
Yeah, I've been told about the pipes.
They are starting to look a bit.
Where are they?
So there's one here.
Yeah.
There's one there. There's one onto the EGR valve.
Oh, they do look a bit.
Yeah. And then there's a few underneath. They will go to like the boost pressure sensors.
Do you think these are from factory?
Yeah, they're original ones. Usually you can tell when they've been replaced. If they use original BMW ones, then these are like solid black.
They don't look that bad from my opinion for original.
No, they are pretty good. It's just this one's starting to fray.
Did you buy this in like a kit, or is it just one big length?
You can buy them silicone ones, so they just last a bit longer than what the original ones do. They look pretty decent down to the actual boost solenoid. I think it's just this one. It's got a bit worn.
Yeah. The best to just do all of them.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Right then. Set it up in the air and see what's underneath.